Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be reviewing Stretch Marks oil and Python fat oil. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. So today's product is from Le But Cosmétique. This is what the Python fat oil looks like. Python fat, as you can see, the fat is at the bottom of this oil. Python fat oil basically comes from Nigeria. These Python fat oils are directly from Nigeria and it's 100% organic Python fat. So the fat in the Python is taken and melted into this oil, and this is very good. After conducting a few research, and I've used it for myself. I used to have a lot of stretch marks on my boobies. If you used to watch my videos back in the day, you will know what I'm talking about. So Python fat is used for so many skin purposes. Examples are stretch marks. It removes your stretch marks. Another example is it removes scars. This is very true. If you use this for about 3 to 6 months, your scars and all your stretch marks will eventually wipe away. It's also good for keloids, and it's good for hair infections and so many other skin problems. So if you research Python fat oil, you will know what I'm saying is 100% true, and it's used for a lot of things. It's actually used in Nigeria for all these purposes, because in the UK and in other parts of the world there is bio oil, there is rescue oil for stretch marks, and we all know that these types of oils do not really let your stretch marks go. For all these years, I used to use bio oil, to be precise, on my stretch marks, and my stretch marks were still there. It was this Python fat oil mixed with other oils. So this is Le But Cosmétique stretch marks oil, and this is 20 ml, and this can last you a while, because when you open the bottle, you just have to scoop in a little bit of the oil, just a drop on the affected area. Within 3 to 6 months, guys, you will not regret it. This is very good, depending on where you have your stretch marks. I had stretch marks on my hand because I was very slim, and stretch marks is when your body stretches, and when it stretches, it gives you all those marks on your boobies, your hands, wherever the stretch marks is. And also when people use skin lightening creams, sometimes it gives them those fake stretch marks. Those sort of stretch marks are horrible. You didn't want that on your skin. So the stretch marks oil from Le But Cosmétique is made from so many different types of stretch marks oils, like bio oil, Shalom stretch mark oil, and one of the main ingredients is the Python fat oil. You can use this directly, or you can choose to purchase the Le But Cosmétique stretch marks oil. But regardless of what you choose, this has more ingredients. This is just the Python fat. So I will put a link of Le But Cosmétique website in my description box down below, so that if you are interested, you can go and have a look at it. So guys, thank you viewers for watching this video. This is a very short video, and I have a coupon code for you as well, which is LBC10. You get 10% off your entire purchase, or whatever you purchase from Le But Cosmétique. So I came to film this video because it actually worked for me, and all my stretch marks on my boobies is faded. There's no stretch marks on top of my boobies. It was really bad. It had lines all over, and I'm telling you for a fact, the Python fat oil, or if you purchase Le But Cosmétique stretch marks oil, it will 100% clear your stretch marks within 3 to 6 months, and that's how long it took for me to get rid of my stretch marks. So I'm not saying that's a miracle oil that when you put it on your skin within a week you will see a difference from 1 week onwards, but to clear your stretch marks, as I said, it can take up to 3 to 6 months. And if you do your research about Python fat oil, you understand where I'm coming from. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Thank you and bye.